Wow, we've got a bunch of really cool products to talk about tonight. And this is from Kristen Van Patten, who has become a friend of the channel. And he has sent a care package of all these Leatherman goods he has made to make your Leatherman Skeletool even more amazing. So let's go ahead and start with the hammer mod. This one right here is very easy, as basically all these are. And that's one of the things I like about this is it's fairly simple to do for everyone. So what you do, this is a polymer 3D printed part, and you go ahead and you put that in, and then there is simply a plastic pin that has to line up with the hole that you see in here. And then you can go ahead and snap that into place. Let's go ahead and snap that in, and then it is not going to move anywhere. So that's pretty cool. And there are longer pieces that you can sort of cut up or cut off and shave, but he also includes some smaller ones that just sort of snap in there. So that's pretty cool. Now, the other thing that we have right here already installed is the thumb stud, and that fit on pretty easy right there. Snaps right into place. It makes the blade a lot more accessible. So that's pretty cool, and it makes the blade a lot more easy to use. Now, the thing that I'm most excited about is this holster. I don't know if it's just me, but I think this is super cool. So I did not realize this, but you can fit your 1/4 inch adapter to the Leatherman bit driver right here on the side. Isn't that neat? And there's a magnet right there that fits it right in. Then you can fit your Leatherman bit kits right in here, 2 of them. So not one, but 2 of them can snap right in there. And he mentioned that the first couple times, because of the plastic, it will be a little bit hard to fit it in there, but I found it fairly easy even the first time. And then one of the coolest things about this is look at this system. That is slick. You can go ahead, snap that into place if you want this as a clip, or you can go ahead and you can use this and you can get different sizes for your different size belts to put it on like so. That is so cool. I feel like there are so many things you can do with this system. I don't know, maybe this should replace the Molly system on military gear. That's really cool. So I really like that. I really like the ease of access to just snap that into place, and huge fan of that. All right, and then we come to the 4th piece of gear that can really help out your Leatherman Skeletool, and that is his updated screwdriver. So I wanted to go over several ways you could use this, and one of the first things you can do is actually just use this as more of a thumb screwdriver. So there are magnets that hold this into place. You put the Leatherman bit on the end, and you put this in here. He's improved the retention, and then you've got a fantastic pocket screwdriver adapter extender. So this is all kinds of uses, and I find myself reaching for this when I need to do mods on Leatherman pivots or other multi-tool pivots. It's just so handy. I actually fit this up on my magnet strip. The pin, the metal of the pin or the metal on this, I just snap it right there, and I have it above the table right here where I review these multi-tools, and I have one handy basically all the time. So I've really personally found this useful to me. So you can use it like that, or what you can do is you can take this out, and then you can go ahead, put the bit in the end like so, and then you can just use it as an extender that way as well. So that's also useful. Now, obviously, the normal way would be to go ahead, and I'm going to swap this back so we have the Leatherman bit on hand. Then I will pick out a 1/4 inch bit. So the normal way is to just use it like so. And then you can use it the small with just a Leatherman bit in the back. And then as we talked about, you can swap this out like so, or this is where it gets really interesting. Then you can add this as an extender with your Skeletool, and you can use it either like so, or you can, if you need to reach something super far away, you can use it like that. So there are all kinds of possibilities, and I find this very, very useful. So this is something I actually end up using a lot. Big fan of that, and I really appreciate what he is doing, making some of these tools that are just not made by anyone else. So a really cool innovation with this, and also some of the other tools we've talked about. I really love how this system slides on and off. Huge fan of that. It's really nice, this hammer mod as well. All the things he sent have turned out really good, so a big fan of this. So make sure to check him out. Again, Kristen at vanpatten.com. Really appreciate the care package he sent, and I will catch you in the next video.